Hi, Sherry with Uneeda. I'm here today to talk to you about swirl marks. Swirl marks happen in wood sanding quite often, whether it be with a 3x4 sander or a 5-inch. One of the problems is that you cannot continue to sand and think you will ever sand them out. You will just continue to put more swirls in. So how do we fix that? At Uneeda, we've come up with a way to mask the swirls where you don't see them and you finish. We use our 3x4 sander with a maroon Unilon pad, and we mask them by sanding over them. What the Unilon pad does is it takes the tops off of the swirl marks where they can no longer be seen when you stain the wood. It's the easiest, quickest way to do it. Unfortunately, you cannot use a 5-inch sander with a maroon Unilon pad. It has to be the 3x4 because of the swirl marks and the way the sander operates in a 3mm direct drive. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to us at Uneeda. Thank you and have a great day.